Hey everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And I know it's been a little while, but been working really hard. Got a lot going on. But I want to make a video tonight of something I got for Christmas, which today is February 1st, 2022. So I haven't opened this yet. But what my lovely wife has got me is a new cooking utensil. It's a new blender. It's the Foodi Power Pitcher. And in my last video with the food chopper, I said that we've had the blenders for a real long time. They're starting to break and have problems. This one has a lot of good reviews. And it actually will chop up concrete, that's what I've been told, but I'm not sure about that. But it's got a big pitcher, speed controls, chopped crushed ice, fruit, all kinds of stuff. But one thing it has is a bread hook. And I'd love to be able to make noodles and crust and stuff. And this evening, we're going to make sausage balls. And I want to make a video on that. So I want to do an unboxing on this and a review. My next video will be making sausage balls. And in the South, if you have sausage, biscuit, and some cheese, you're good to go. So let's get the camera down here and I'll show you what's in the box. We'll do a little review on it and see what we got, and hopefully it'll be good. Alright, in the box. Okay, so in the box we have some paperwork. Got the recipe book. Tells you how to do doughs and smoothies, breads. How to clean it. Quick start guide. Got a quick start guide there. Have the owner's guide. Right there. I know the lighting's not the greatest in the kitchen here either. Okay, so it comes with a cleaning brush, so you can get down in all the little crevices and whatnot. Okay, here's the power pitcher. So it's open right here. They definitely have it packaged good. I don't think it can get hurt. So okay, and it tells you all the blades are sharp and everything. So here's the power pitcher. It's supposed to hold 72 ounces. And it's got the quadruple throwing star ninja blade attachment. Looks like it's easy to clean. There's no little crevices or anything to get to in there. So that goes in there. Here's the lid. There's the lid, and it has a handle so you can pick it up with a little release mechanism. And then it has another where you can pour in like olive oils and stuff. I have to figure out how to close that back. Let's see, where's the motor at? I'll tell you, they really packaged this thing good. And if you measure quality by heavy, it's fairly heavy. Okay, here's the motor assembly. It's probably got a 3 or 4 foot cord. It's got rubber feet on the bottom. And here's all the controls on it on the front. pretty straightforward. And here is the bread hook, or the dough hook, that goes in here. It says for best results, use a dishwasher to remove stuck-on ingredients such as doughs and batter. So it is dishwasher safe. So that's a good thing. So we'll have it. Oh, it's got suction cups on the bottom of it. That's goodness gracious. So it's got suction cups on it so it won't go flying all over the place. There we go. So it will not, it will not come off. What about that? Line that up. There we go. That is pretty cool. So I tell you what, let me get it washed and read the book on it real quick, and we'll make something in it real quick just to see how it does. Okay, so I've got it plugged up, and hopefully you can see this. So there's a timer and speed, IQ, and it's got smoothie, bowl, chop, or dough, the power button, and then pulse. So if I was going to turn it to a smoothie, you just turn the knob, smoothie, and you can turn the power button, and then all you do is press the button. And for 65 seconds, it will sound like it's a concrete mixer. So, turn to bowl. 40 seconds. Lord have mercy, that thing is diabolical. Chop, let's see what it does. Okay, for 5 seconds it just did that, and then we'll go to dough, and it's kind of pulsating. 45 seconds. So it's got an IQ button. We'll turn it off. We'll go to manual. You can turn the time up on it. I'm sorry, that's the speed. So that's the speed in manual. And this pulses it. So if you just want to do a quick pulse, you can change the speed on it. That, and with the suction cups, it won't go anywhere. Let's make a smoothie real quick. Alright, so we're going to make a smoothie real quick. Got some ice cubes. We'll take about a cup of milk. We'll take just a little bit of fresh honey. We'll take about a tablespoon of honey. And one banana. So we'll just put it in here. Goodness. Take this banana and put it in there. Put the lid back on it. All right, we got it on Smoothie, we got it on IQ. And I don't think we need to run it that long. My goodness, that thing has got some horsepower. Goodness. It comes off good. One banana smoothie. So there you have it. The Ninja Foodi. Is that what it's called? The Ninja Foodi Blender. It's got a lot of horsepower. I'd probably put it on the back of my boat and run it, but did a great job on the smoothie. I'm going to enjoy this, clean it up, and get ready for the next video where I make sausage balls. So y'all stay tuned, look for the notifications. Click that notification bell. Hit that subscribe button for me. We're at 775 subscribers. Can't thank you enough. Gonna have some more content. Hopefully this weather's gonna clear. We're gonna pull the boat out of the garage. So y'all stay with us, and thanks for watching the videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.